In the new junior cycle maths, with students having to do classroom-based assessments where they're investigating, this is a lovely experiment that you could do with the students to look at the relationship between radius, surface area and volume and the scale factor in enlargements. If we take any round-shaped piece of fruit, we could take them in 3 different sizes. Students could use a vernier calipers in class, digital one being preferable, and they could take a measurement of the diameter of each of the pieces of fruit and record them in their table. And they could look at the ratio of each piece of fruit, which of course is R2 over R1 would give them the scale factor. If they then peel each of the pieces of fruit and use a piece of graph paper, they could work out the surface area covered by the peel on the piece of fruit, and they can use the graph paper to try and arrange it into a rectangle being the easiest shape, or they could work out how many boxes there are and get the area of each of the boxes to get the total surface area. If they look at the surface area of each of the pieces of fruit, and again they compare the surface area of the second orange to the first one, they will find that it's actually the scale factor squared. You could take this experiment a little bit further and you could link it into the science class, and they could also get the volume of each of the pieces of fruit using an overflow can and a graduated cylinder, and by placing the fruit into the overflow can, the water displaced would be the volume. If they then again compared the volume of each piece of fruit, so volume 2 over volume 1 would be the scale factor cubed.